Hey, good morning everybody. It's your boy Mark and I'm here at the garage slash warehouse. As you can see right there, I am going to remove the SMA aftermarket suspension. I'm going to put back the factory suspension that you see in these purple boxes here. I've had them there for years, probably more than a decade, and I resurrected them. I'm going to put them in the car and say goodbye to the SMAs. I'm tired of hearing that clunking noise each time I drive lower than 30 miles per hour. I'm just gonna get started right here, right now. So there are 3 bolts. I'm not gonna try to do this video right now. I'm too early. I'm trying to get all 4 done within today. I don't wanna spend my whole weekend, all day trying to remove the suspension. I know my hair is all messed up, I don't care. So there are 3, let me just flip the camera. There are 3 bolts that I had to remove right now, and it's this one right here. 1, 2. These are the 2 that you remove first, and then if you can look right behind, there's this one right here. Once you remove these 3, we're gonna go ahead and go on the other side. There's this bolt right here, and then you're gonna have to remove this bolt right here. So the way I'm pointing them is the way you're doing it in order. Then once you remove those bolts, this joint, it is loose, and then all you have to do is have someone, or you can take your jack stand and place it underneath here. So then you can go up here and remove these 3 right here. All right, so I'm gonna get started now. Again, I don't wanna make a full video on this. I just wanna get this done. So let me get started and let me finish. Take a 12mm socket and remove this bolt. We're going to go ahead and do that now. All you need is a 17mm socket to take this guy out. Look how rusty it is. 12mm bolt right here. All right, so for this bolt right here, this one I used a 19mm socket, but you also have to hold the other end here. And that one, I was holding a 20mm socket on this end like that. And then that bad boy came out. Now, once you have your jack stand being supported on your rotor here, in order to take this guy out, I used this little guy right here, and I placed it right there, and then I started hammering this side right here, and I was able to move it in. So I'm almost done, and then I can start working on the upper mount right here and remove these 3 screws, and then I'm done. And there you go. Just kept on hammering here until it's loose on the other side. Right there. Alright, so once that's taken out, that should be the last one from the inside area, because now this is loose. Once all those screws that I just showed you guys are removed, these are the final 3 right here. Now, when you start loosening these, you may need someone to support and hold this area right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna loosen them, but not take them out. And then I'm gonna have one hand holding the mount, and then my right hand removing them very slowly, because I'll have them right at the tip. So it'll just be easier for me to use my right hand or left hand, whatever you feel comfortable with. All right, there you go. These are all loose. You can remove these with your hand. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use my left hand, hold them out, and my right hand to remove them, like I said before. To take this part right here is a bitch. I've been doing this now for the past 15 minutes, just banging it out from right here, being careful that I do not ruin the sway bar end link. So this is the only direction I can hit. I can't hit here. I can't hit here because I have no space. So this area right here is the only space that I'm working with, and I'm afraid I don't break it. But I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Where's that hammer? All right, it is taken out. Now let me go ahead and go on top to remove this bolt. All right, it is taken out. Now let me go ahead and get on top of the engine bay so I can remove all 3 bolts. There you go. It is down. All right, make sure that you're looking at your strut mount here, your suspension. You see this pivot? This pivot goes behind, hold on. It goes behind here. That little groove goes right here. That right there, okay?